All right, welcome back, everybody. Made it back from Arizona Bike Week. Got a package in from HOGWORKZ. Tired of replacing these normal incandescent bulbs. So we're gonna fix that problem with some quality HOGWORKZ products. Should be an easy install. Heading to bike night tonight, so I'll be able to see them at night. Let's get to it. Let's get right into this unboxing. Nice packaging. Pop them open. This looks like, oh, they come with lenses too. Even better. These are the fronts. Looks like I got part number Hotel Whiskey 307001 for the fronts. And Hotel Whiskey 307002 for the rears. First thing I notice, no sticker. You know me, I love my stickers. I'll probably start with the rears. Let's see if there's any instructions. You shouldn't need instructions doing these. It's literally changing the bulb. But I have been known to ruin some things without instructions. Nope. No instructions. Still gonna send that. All right, pretty straightforward. You're gonna take a flathead. I gotta make sure this one fits before I actually. All right, first thing, flathead screwdriver. If you have a trim tool, you know, anything, just be careful because you can crack these. They do have new ones, so it doesn't really matter, but you never know. So you can actually see through it there. There's a, see that little square? There's a little indent right there. So you go in, just give it a little twist, and you'll be able to pull it right off. As such, as soon as I find it. Okay, I'm in it. Give it a little bam, just like that. But, you know, if you're gonna save these, make sure you catch it. Now, as you can see, this bulb has seen better days. So we're gonna give her the L1 too. It's got the, I don't even know what they call that contact, but it's like that dual contact. A little different shaped contact, but it should be okay. Now we are going to slide this in. There should be a slide and a little twist. Slide and a little twist. Slide and a little twist. Okay. Okay, so you just kind of line them up, line the little dongles up in there. In, twist, and she's in. Oh man, this lens is actually kind of fucked up. That's upsetting. I might be able to clean it off. I'll try later. But yeah, I'm gonna bring that up, throw the light in there. All right, just like that, the rears are in. Let's move on to the fronts. Fronts are the same way, pop the cover off. Gonna throw the new one in, put in, twist, throw the covers on, and easy day. So I can already tell the fit and finish on the fronts way better than the back. The back is it's good, don't get me wrong, very good. But the fronts have this like rubber on the outside that really hold it in there extremely nice. And the lens is a little better. It makes me feel like they have updated the fronts and just not the rears yet. But we'll see. I'm gonna try and do something cinematic here. Let's see how it turns out. They look pretty sweet. That's the blinkers. And that is running. Nick, how's it feel to not be on an Indian?
Feels beautiful.
Heading out. Jersey Pines Bike Fest Bike Night. First of the season. Season opener, baby.
And we're back.
Got some tails and the fielder sauce. Oh, get it. Oh. Legendary guys over there. Baggers and Brews Bert. Good turnout. Gonna be a good year. Sweet bike night. Tons of people.
We always start with
huh?
commentary good.
Okay, go ahead.
No, I'm done.
All right, it's been a couple days. Really digging the LEDs. I think they're pretty sweet. The only thing I noticed, which I knew was going to happen, was the hyper flash like on the dash. So if you look with the left blinker, she's ripping, but the blinker blinks normal. So if you buy them, just know, I think that happens with pretty much all of them from everyone that I've talked to. But yeah, definitely check out HOGWORKZ. Nice quality product. The wind is ripping right now, so. We're heading out to another bike night tonight. Second one of the week, I know. We're crazy, huh? But yeah, definitely digging the LEDs. Love the turn signals. They're performing great. Just be aware of that hyper flash if you're buying them. We're heading out second bike night of the week. It's the Nam Nights Tri-Base chapter. Go out there, get some good food, and enjoy it. It's about to be a good weekend. Yeah, I'll tune in there. Heading out, won the 50-50, no big deal. It only dumped rain while we were inside. Huh?